How to transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can transfer USDT from Bitget to Binance. So all you have to do is go ahead and log in into your Bitget account. Once you're logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Right on this page, go ahead and tap the accounts button located in the top right hand side, and from there go ahead and select asset. As you click on asset, now you'll be taken to this page where you have to go ahead and select withdraw in the top right hand side corner, and then you need to select the asset that you're actually transferring or what you actually want to transfer. You need to enter in the chain name, withdrawal address, amount, and then the fee and all that information, and click the submit button. As you're done with that, you need to verify your information as well. For that, you need to verify your email address, and then a verification code is going to be sent to the provided phone number, and you also need to go to the Google two-factor authentication and funding code as well. As you're done with this procedure, click the confirm button, and moving on, then you'll be provided with this statement stating that you've successfully transferred USDT from Bitget to Binance. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.